Video, don't worry about it. Okay, police officers. Unit 1, stop, thief. Repeat after me. Stop,
Stop,
thief.
thief.
Stop, thief.
Stop, thief.
What do you see in the picture? What's the title of the unit?
Stop thief.
Thief, you see a thief. And what is a thief?
Bad action.
Yes, steals. A thief steals. Very good. What else do you see?
Wolf.
What?
Wolf.
Yeah, a vault. You see a vault. You're talking about this, right?
Yes.
Yes, that's called a vault. Very good. Okay, and a mask and a bag, right? Good. We see a mask and we see a bag. Okay, very good. Okay, how do I spell dispatcher?
Dispatcher.
How do I spell dispatcher?
Dispatcher.
Okay, very good, dispatcher. And what is a dispatcher?
It's computer.
Yeah, a dispatcher kind of takes calls, like, you know how you call 911?
Yeah.
That's the other person on the other end is a dispatcher.
Dispatcher.
Yeah. How do you spell traffic officer?
Trafficer.
How do you spell SWAT?
SWATEAM.
How do you spell detective?
DETECTIVE.
And what's a detective? What about someone who looks for clues and solves crimes, right?
Find the clue.
Yeah, they find clues, looks for clues, looks for clues, solves crimes. All right. So the question is why are there different kinds of police officers? Why are there different kinds of police officers? Why? Go ahead.
Police officers do many things, but one people do everything is very hard.
Right, that's a good answer. So she said police officers do many things and one person doing everything is very hard. So you need to be specially trained to handle certain situations, like some police officers investigate homicides, some investigate bomb threats, kidnappings, and some just patrol the streets for traffic. Okay, so we have criminals and crimes. So we need to, is there a lot of crime in your neighborhood? Yes or no? No? Yes. Korea is very safe. How do I spell thief? How do I spell
THIEF.
How do I spell bully?
BULLY.
How do I spell vandalism?
VANDALISM.
How do I spell arson? Okay, what is arson? This is a house. Yeah, and if I light the house on fire, that's arson. If someone that's a crime. Lighting someone's house on fire is arson. What's vandalism?
Vandalism is
Destroy.
Yes, destroying people's property. Like if I break these windows, that's vandalism. It's, yes, destroying other people's property. Okay, so you guys answer those. Did you do it? Okay, so is thief, what number is thief?
3.
3.
What number is bully?
4.
4.
What number is vandalism?
1.
1.
Yes, what number is arson?
2.
Okay, how do I spell judge?
Judge.
How do I spell jury?
Jury.
Good. How do I spell prison?
prison.
Okay, what's a jury? What's a jury? It's a group of people who decide someone's fate. Like if you got in trouble, maybe the three of us would discuss if you should be punished or not. That would make us a jury. What is a judge?
Judge is the law is
Yeah, they work in the law and they also decide someone's fate. Like if someone should be guilty, they decide the kind of punishment someone should get for breaking the rules or committing a crime. Okay, so judge, what number is it?
number 2.
Yes. Jury, what number is it?
3.
Prison?
1.
1.
Alright, good. Okay, let's talk about police. What does the dispatcher do?
Dispatcher
Radios police officer and tell them where to go.
Right. Would you rather be a traffic officer or a detective?
I would rather be a detective
Like searching for
clues and solving
solving
puzzles.
puzzles.
No thanks to police, my community is pretty safe.
Did you hear about the neighborhood thief?
Yes, he was arrested last night. He'll probably go to prison. Did you hear about the neighborhood thief? Yes, he was arrested last night. He'll probably go to prison. Have you ever been the victim of vandalism?
To the police, my community is pretty safe.
Good. Would you like to serve on a jury? Would you like to serve on a jury? Maybe.
Maybe but I would worry about making the wrong decision.
Is prison a fair punishment for criminals?
Yes, as they say, if you do the crime, you
That time.
do the time.
Is your neighborhood safe? How often do you see police in your neighborhood? You need to answer those questions by yourself. Okay, that's enough. Thank you.